everyone, this is Brandon from MerriQuail. I'm brand new to YouTubing, so please bear with me. I hope to bring you some useful content as time goes on, but today's video is to introduce me and my channel. So, who am I and what is MerriQuail? I am a former IT professional who has decided that I'd rather raise vegetables and quail than deal with corporate crises. I started many years ago with 3 small raised beds in my suburban backyard, and 3 years ago I began raising Coturnix quail. Why quail instead of chickens? At first I thought about getting chickens, but when I started learning about chickens, the regulations regarding keeping them in a suburban environment and their needs, I decided that chickens weren't for me. I wasn't ready to give up on a backyard source of eggs and meat, however, and I remembered one of my mother's friends who kept quail. I'm Japanese American, and many recipes that I'd always wanted to try call for quail eggs. So I started researching quail and realized that they were my perfect backyard poultry. I love raising these quirky little birds, and I am just starting to learn a bit about their genetics so I can start breeding specific lines rather than just keeping them for eggs and meat. What could I possibly have to teach? Well, that's for you to judge. I'm not an expert in any of the subjects that I plan to record in my journey, and I expect to make mistakes. I will learn both from my successes and my mistakes, and I hope that you do too. The plan is to chronicle my journey to reduce my carbon footprint and to increase my self-sufficiency. Over the next couple of months, I'm going to be saying goodbye to the home I've lived in for over 50 years, and the true chronicles will begin at my new home. In the meantime, if you'd like to see more of what I've done so far, you can visit my articles on backyardchickens.com. You will find the link in the description below. Thank you for listening to me, and goodbye until the next video. Thank you.